That is Razar. Roller. Richard Lemkes. Marian Street 51, Krefeld. Me someone, me celebrity. Me sign BMT. That was very complete. He's Rapstar. Stay in BN. But me sign. Everything what is worth. Most. We do not have mail. With books. With the offers. No, it's one. We have got is the truth. We do not have money. We do not have cards. That is the truth. But we do not have information. We have not lists with deadlines. We have not information with what must do offer me and everything. We do not have one book. That is the truth. We do not have money. It's the truth. That is the 4th June 2019. We did not get anything. So, that one who is tutor and not the governor is going to the celebrities all over the world is the truth. That's Richard Lemkes says the truth for his life, because we know that is the only way that me staying being alive without jail. Because me said truth. Me celebrity birth deserve a huge castle and much everything. That is a sign. It's more for USA, for me, for everything what is life. That is more for America. When you know that he's not a governor, you say it. Because that is the truth by everything, the rules that we have got and we have got what. Because of what you have me and all the celebrities. 100,000 celebrity offers we have got, we have said got. We do not have one mail with an information about that. Is the truth, we do not have one book, you cannot sign. Without the books. Until now. We have to sign something. That is someone. We talk like that. We have got everything. God, Almighty, is someone. So we sign UBNT. That is the truth. We do not have the conditions. That is a lot of flights, we would say. That is celebrity. What we have got to all celebrities around the world. We can have. That me is celebrity. And life have the minimum 3 flights. No, we say 5 flights. That is minimum 5 flights. And Ezra. That is someone. We stand alive and we someone and we celebrity is someone for the whole world. Because that's right. Razor complete. Do what? Without having money. June the 1st. Do not ever got one information about offers. Do not ever got one book. Do not ever got money. We have no telephone calls with each other. They are not police for me. Because we have not a governor. Krefeld. Do not have a governor. It's the way for Richard to stay alive. We have that. Everything is your pants. Because they do not give me 100 euro in my hands. These buying spray cans and have nothing to eat. It's the Richard Lemkes that you offer because the not governor that we have got is a committer, and everybody knows that is rules, law and the truth. Stop that Razor, with this Razor rap ultra star. Richard Lemkes, King Caesar, complete.